Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for Gulf County in the Panhandle of Florida, Walton County in the Panhandle of Florida, Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, Washington County in the Panhandle of Florida, Southwestern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, Jackson County in the Panhandle of Florida, Bay County in the Panhandle of Florida, Calhoun County in the Panhandle of Florida, Western Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, Gadsden County in Big Bend, Florida, Holmes County in the Panhandle of Florida, Franklin County in Big Bend, Florida, West Central Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, southwestern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, heavy rain associated with dangerous Hurricane Michael was occurring across the warned area. Between 4 to 7 inches of rain has already fallen, and an additional 2 to 4 inches is likely. Flash flooding is likely occurring or imminent. Some locations that will experience flooding include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Panama City Beach, Callaway, Carnival, Vernon, Bonifay, Quincy, Mariana, and East Point. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.